So our guest, and today we have a guest, and actually she's mainly her her ability is to sing. So she's a very big singer actually. She goes for singing classes. She goes for many dancing classes, many things like that. So anyway, let's introduce her now. Hello.
Hi,
Okay, so what's your name?
my name is Devnanda.
Okay, so which grade are you in?
I'm in 6th.
Okay, she's in 6th grade, and so which school do you go to?
DPS Sharjah, Delhi Private School.
Okay, she goes to DPS Sharjah. Do you go? What are your main hobbies actually?
I like to dance.
You like to dance, okay?
Yeah, I sing also and I play chess.
Okay, so I think your favorite, you like indoor games better than outdoor games?
Yeah,
Okay, so you're more interested into indoor games, okay. So, what are your best friends' names?
I have actually 4.
Okay, so many best friends. So you can't choose between them, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so do you go for any classes outside, like, any outdoor classes like dancing classes, singing classes, anything like that?
Yeah, dance I go
Okay,
for
you go-
dance and
Okay, you go for dance classes, then you go for singing, I think.
yeah.
Okay, so what do you do to pass your time in your house?
Actually, I have my brother and my sister, so it's not like boring for me anyway.
Okay, so a full fun packed time for you, right? So what's your name of your brother,
My brother's name is Anirudh.
and which grade is he?
He's in grade 1.
He's in grade one. Okay, small brother. So, and what about your sister?
Her name is Bhavni. She's in KG1.
She's in KG1. Okay, small. So you have a lot of fun with your brother and sisters, taking care of them, many things like that.
More than fun, we fight.
Okay, more than fun, they enjoy fighting. Oh, okay, so you told me that you're a very good singer, right? So why don't we go for a song now? You can sing a song for me? Okay.
I'll sing an English song.
Okay, English song. Sure, she's gonna start with the English song.
I stay up too late. There's nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I've gone to many dates, but I can make them stay. And that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Yeah,
Okay, so it was a very nice song.
thank you.
Okay, so so I think you enjoy singing so much.
Yeah,
Okay, so have you gone for any competitions like that?
a lot of competition.
Lot of competitions. So what kind of competitions do you go for? In your school competitions, or do you go outside for competitions?
Usually I go outside for competition.
Outside for competitions. So what all prizes have you won?
First, second, third.
First, second, third. So all she has won.
Yeah.
Okay, so there must be a line of trophies in your house.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So anyway, you tell me, so you're good in dancing, you go for chess. So chess is your favorite, indoor game?
Yeah, chess is my favorite.
So
indoor
chess is, your favorite game. So chess, who do you play with actually, chess?
So me and my brother is also learning, so we
Okay,
play together.
brother is learning, first grade brother. So he's learning chess and all. So you play with your brother.
Yeah, I play with them.
Okay, what about in your class? Do you play with your classmates?
They don't. I don't know about them actually.
Okay, so maybe they don't enjoy chess or something.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay, so so have you went for any chess competitions or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay,
I've
so chess competitions, you got selected from school, or you went from
I've gone from school also and alone also. I've gone.
alone also? Okay. So a very talented person.
Thank
Yeah. Okay. So you like singing. You like you like singing many things like that, right?
you. Yeah. I like.
Okay. So now why don't we go for another song?
Yeah, sure.
So which song are you going to sing for me now?
I'm gonna sing a Tamil song.
Okay, she's gonna sing a very nice Tamil song for us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
நின்னு கோரி வர்ணம் வர்ணம் இசைத்திட என்னை தேடி வர்ணம் வர்ணம் ஒரு கிளி தனித்திருக்க உனக்குன்னு தவம் இருக்க இருவிழி சிவந்திருக்க இதை மட்டும் வெளுத்திருக்க அழகிய ரகுவரனே அனுதினமும் நின்னு கோரி வர்ணம் வர்ணம் இசத்திர நின்னை தேடி வர்ணம் வர்ணம் உன்னை தான் சின்ன பெண் ஏதோ கேட்க உள்ளுக்குள் அங்கங்கே ஏகம் தாக்க மொட்டுத்தான் மெல்லத்தான் பூ போல் பூக்க தொட்டுப்பார் கட்டிப்பார் தேகம் வேர்க்க பூஜைக்காக வாடது தேகம் உன்னை தேடது ஆசை நெஞ்சமேங்கது ஆட்டம் பாட்டு தூங்கது உன்னோட நான் ஓயாமல் தேனாற்றலே நீராட நின்ன கையில் நின்று கோரி வர்ணம் வர்ணம் இசத்திர நின்னை தேடி வர்ணம் வர்ணம்.
Okay, it is a very beautiful song.
Thank you.
So, do anybody teach you the songs?
Yeah, no, I learn by myself, then I correct it from the sir.
Okay, yes, sir. So,
Yeah.
you sir. So, what kind of music do you go for? Carnatic music?
Yeah, I go for Carnatic.
Okay, you go for Carnatic music. So, I think you want to become. What do you want to be actually when you become big?
My
What's your
ambition.
ambition, yeah.
My ambition is to become a doctor, pediatrician.
Okay, so you want to be a doctor. So, will you keep your side activity as singing, dancing, anything like that?
Obviously, for
Obviously, so you won't leave your,
No,
singing
I
like
won't.
that. So never. So you'll enjoy singing, more than anything else.
Yeah.
Okay. So so you told me that you're a very good singing, singer and all, right? So you sing more, or do you like do other things more? What do you do more?
Both
Dancing,
of them I
singing.
do. Obviously, for like in the first starting of the year, I have many competitions. So usually I prepare for the competitions, and my studies also go well.
Yeah,
along with
studies
that.
are also, never leave your studies actually.
obviously.
So you have to take everything. So, do you have a very busy, stressful time in your house? You have to go for dance, singing, many things like
No,
that.
I had, but nowadays I don't have, because as I became in 6th, more of studies are
Yeah,
there.
more of studies are coming. So,
Yeah.
so you, maybe you go, maybe stop something or something like that, right?
Yeah, I stopped some learnings. Yeah.
Okay. So many things like that. How is your family doing?
My family is going well.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what's your mother's name, and is she working?
No, she's a housewife. Her name is Shilpa Rajesh.
What about what about your father?
My father's name is Rajesh Menon. He owns a company.
He owns a company. Okay. So where do you, when your family, right? When your family and in the weekends and all, where do you go the most?
Actually, most of the weekends we'll have party. So
You have parties, most of the time parties, right?
yeah.
Okay. So what in your relatives' house parties like that?
Yeah, my father's friends also will be there. My relatives.
So
then-
so for most of the weekends are partying time.
Not most of the weekends. We also have competitions. A lot of
Yeah,
competitions. are
lots
there,
lots
yeah.
and lots of competitions for mainly for you, right?
And nowadays I don't go anywhere because I have studies, because all my exams
Yeah.
are coming up. So I don't.
Oh, okay. So anyway, now why don't we why don't you sing a Hindi song?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so which song are you going to sing for us?
It's मैं तनु समझा.
Oh, okay. So let's everybody enjoy your song.
मैं तनु समझा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी. मैं तनु समझा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी. तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा. ना दिल तो यूं जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी. मेरे दिल में चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया राय. तू जो मेरे नाल तुरेता, तुर पे मैं नियरा. जीना मेरा है उदने तेरा की मैं करा. करूं इंतजार तेरा, ना दिल तो यूं जान मेरी, जान मेरी. Yeah.
Okay, so very, you have got a very beautiful voice actually.
Thank you so
You know,
much.
for some time I was like thinking you are the singer of the song actually. So it was that a beautiful song.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So now now you sang a Hindi song, many continental songs you sang for me. So now why don't we go back to our hometown, Malayalam song?
Oh sure, yeah sure.
Okay, so now let's go for a Malayalam song.
Yeah. It's
So which one are you going to sing for me?
yeah, it's a song called Bruhi Krishna.
Bruhi Krishna, okay.
It's a kind of devotion song, but it's not. It's
Oh.
a film song. It's
Okay.
ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा रे मन, ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा. मुरली गायक गोकुल पालक, मुरली गायक गोकुल पालक, मुनि जन वंदित देवा मन, ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा हे मन, ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा. चरणं नलिनं हृदय सान्त्वनं, पुण्यकदामृतदानं, लास्यमोहनं दास्यमोचनं, लास्यमोहनं दास्यमोचनं, नयनं मल्लिवाणं मन, ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा रे मन, ब्रूहि कृष्ण घनश्यामा.
Okay, so it is a very wonderful song.
Thank you.
Okay, so you sang Hindi, English, many things like that, right? So what do you enjoy the most singing? What do you enjoy singing? Actually, Hindi.
Obviously my mother tongue.
Okay, so you enjoy singing Malayalam songs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So anyway, Devananda, thank you for all those songs and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
So I'll be maybe seriously I like your voice. It's really good in singing. So anyway, going for competitions, everything like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So all the best for your future exams, studies, everything.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and again thank you for coming.
Yeah.
And anyway, let's go for a short break now. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.